Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making fried dumplings. Hope you enjoy. Add water to the flour. For the best results, pour water into the bowl in small amounts. Keep mixing until all the flour is mixed together. Mix the dough until it has a firm consistency. Once done, leave the dough in the bowl. For the best results, leave it covered for about an hour or overnight, which is even better. The full ingredients list is in the description below. The first step is to put some flour on a plate. Take some dough from the bowl and use the palm of your hand to form a ball. Once done, set each ball aside on the plate. Carry out the same process until you've got enough to fry. Pour about 2 cups of oil in a deep medium pan. Allow the oil to heat up on a high heat. Test the oil with some dough to see if it's ready to fry. Add each dumpling to the pan and let them fry. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Leave the dumplings to fry until golden around the edges, around 4 minutes. Whilst the dumplings are cooking, put a paper towel on a plate so it can drain off any excess oil. Take out the test dumpling. Once the dumplings have become golden on one side, rotate to the other side. Then leave to fry for another 4 to 6 minutes. Take the dumplings out once they've become golden. Carry out the same process until all the dumplings have been fried. Now your dumplings are ready to eat. Enjoy your dumplings while they are warm, whether by itself or with some ackee and saltfish. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you very soon.